Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to show a different navigation menu on specific pages of your WordPress website, say a custom menu for your blog and a separate one for your shop, this video will walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress site editor. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small plus icon. Click on it. This opens up extra tools and blocks you can use to customize your site. Now, in the search bar that appears, type navigation. WordPress will automatically filter and show you the navigation block. Click on it to add a navigation menu to your page. Once the navigation block appears, move your attention to the settings panel on the right. Here, you'll see a section called Menu. This is where you can manage how your navigation looks and behaves. Scroll down a bit and find the three dots icon beside your menu settings. Click on it. This will open more actions. From here, choose Change Navigation Menu. Now you can select a completely different menu for this specific page. For example, if your homepage has a minimal menu and your blog needs a full one with categories, this is where you make that switch. Once you've selected the menu you want, just save your changes and that's it. You've successfully assigned a custom navigation menu to a specific page in WordPress. No plugins, no code, just built-in tools. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you can make each page of your site feel more personalized and user-friendly. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more quick WordPress customization tips coming soon. Thanks for watching and happy building.